In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use QR code to sign into Outlook. This is a quick, secure way to move your sign-in from your computer to your phone without typing passwords on a small screen, and I'll walk you through it clearly from start to finish. Begin on a computer using a web browser. Sign in to your Outlook account as you normally would, and wait until you land on your Outlook homepage where you can see your inbox. This page is where you'll generate the QR code that links your account to your mobile device. Next, look for the Help option in the top area of Outlook on the web. Depending on your layout, it may appear as the word Help or as a small question mark icon. Click that, and then choose Outlook Mobile from the menu that appears. This is the option designed specifically to help you get set up on your phone. As soon as you select Outlook Mobile, a QR code should appear on your screen. Think of this code as a secure bridge between your computer session and your phone. It's unique to you and only works for a short period of time. Keep this page open and make sure the code is clearly visible on your monitor. Now, grab your phone and scan the QR code. You can typically use your phone's built-in camera. Just point it steadily at the code, making sure it's well lit and fully in the frame. If your camera doesn't recognize it right away, try moving a bit closer or farther, or increase your screen brightness on the computer so the code is crisp. Your phone should detect the code and then guide you to continue the sign-in securely. Follow the prompts that appear on your phone to complete the process. A few quick tips to keep things smooth and secure. Only scan QR codes that you generated yourself within your Outlook session. If the code times out or doesn't load, refresh the page on your computer to generate a new one. If you don't see the Help menu right away, look for the question mark icon near the top right of the Outlook web interface. And if scanning still isn't working, try cleaning your camera lens, holding your phone steady for a moment, or adjusting the lighting so there's no glare on your monitor. That's all it takes. You signed in on the browser, opened Help, chose Outlook Mobile, scanned the QR code with your phone, and finished signing in. If this walkthrough helped you, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future guides.